Okay, we're next going to talk about terms of a variable expression, which the terms of a variable expression are the add-ins of the expression. And I'll give you an example. So if we have 7x to the second power plus negative 6xy plus x plus negative 8. So we have 4 terms. This is considered a term, this is considered a term, this is considered a term, and this is considered the 4th term. Now then, these here are considered variable terms, while this one is considered a constant term. And the reason why this one is considered a constant term is because it has no variables. So it's just a number. And these are considered variable terms because they actually have variables in them. Thus the difference between variable terms and constant terms. Okay, now we're going to talk about how each variable term is composed of a numerical coefficient, numerical number, numerical coefficient. In this case, this is also a numerical coefficient because when we see x, we assume it's 1x. So there's 3 numerical coefficients. Now then, we also have a variable part. The variable part is this right here. Those are considered the variable parts. Now then, as we move forward, we're going to talk about like terms. And in order to do so, I am going to write a new expression. Okay, so when we talk about like terms, this would be considered a like term to that because of the variable. This would be considered a like term because of the y squared. In variable expressions that contain constant terms, the constant terms are like terms. So I'll provide another example for this. So we'll do 4x plus 9, 2x plus negative 7. So then, the variable expressions that contain constant terms, the constant terms are like terms. So these are like terms because of the variable, but yet we also have constant terms, which you recall constant terms has no variables. So that would mean that this 9 and the negative 7 are the constant terms and are like terms. When we also talk about this lesson, you're going to see a couple of definitions that we had covered previously in a few chapters before. It's a commutative property of addition and the associative property of addition, which in summary, commutative property of addition means the following. A plus B equals B plus A. And if you'll recall, associative property of addition is A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. So what changed? The parentheses. It went from BC to AB. That is considered the associative property of addition.